Australia is slowly shifting towards being cash-free. More than $1 billion worth of notes have disappeared from circulation in the past 12 months. It follows the Commonwealth Bank's decision to start trialling cashless branches across Sydney. Economists say a cashless society will hurt criminals on the black market, but will make life more difficult for the elderly who rely on notes and coins.
Last week, a whole bunch of assets shot up in price after a decision was released in the XRP lawsuit. I'm a regulatory attorney by trade, and so I have an analysis for the crypto asset investors. Prior to this decision, regulators have been saying that all crypto assets are securities and need to move like securities. The problem with that is that crypto assets will work if they need to move like securities. Security laws say that securities can only move between government licensed intermediaries, but crypto assets are usually part of consumer-facing software applications. And so they need to move freely between consumers and the software applications. And just so you guys know, the reason the judge said that XRP isn't a security is because XRP doesn't embody promises. Securities should embody promises between the issuers and the holders. And as you guys probably know, if you're holding XRP, that actually gives you no rights against Ripple, the company. At best, XRP lets you function within the Ripple network, but it doesn't give you any rights over the Ripple team. And so I agree with this ruling.
Elon Musk declaration sparks wild speculation. He could be about to blow up the XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin price. It was reported by Semaphore citing anonymous sources and a leaked document it claims was sent by X to financial data providers asking for quotes for financial content, real-time stock data, and other features. Musk's X is the social media platform owned by the Tesla billionaire and is widely known as Twitter. Updated on August 6, Elon Musk has categorically denied that his firm X will introduce its own cryptocurrency to compete with XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin. This could give rise to the notion that the company will instead incorporate current cryptocurrencies. An account belonging to a follower of the cryptocurrency X Dogecoin posted on the website accompanying pictures of headlines falsely claiming that Elon Musk and X had released a cryptocurrency token. In response, Musk said, "And we never will." People responded to Musk's post in droves, with many of them assuming that the confirmation meant that the meme-based cryptocurrency Dogecoin, which competes with Bitcoin, would soon be embraced by the social network. According to the request for proposals, real-time information is a powerful force, especially in the world of investing. And it continues. Twitter's real-time public platform has become the heartbeat of the financial community. Musk, on the other hand, denied knowledge of the plans despite the fact that several data suppliers indicated they would be interested in the effort. After the news was published, Musk wrote on X that, to the best of my knowledge, there is currently no work being done on this. According to a representative of eToro who spoke with Semaphore, X is becoming an increasingly important part of the DIY investing community. We are in close contact with the team around upcoming projects, and we are extremely excited to see how X will develop in the coming months. Louis Schumann, managing director at Forex Suggest, said in emailed remarks that the addition of cryptocurrencies as a payment option for the renamed Twitter platform would make perfect sense. Cryptocurrencies are now a staple part of the financial world. Schumann said their inclusion as a payment option for the rebranded Twitter platform would make complete sense. Just this past April, Musk dropped a hint that Dogecoin payments would be coming to Twitter when he mentioned that Dogecoin might be able to be used as a payment option for the premium service that Twitter offers, which is known as Twitter Blue. The fact that Tesla already takes Dogecoin payments in its online store establishes a precedent for its inclusion. XRP price still disappoints long after the court ruling. Deaton remains optimistic. Despite a brief recovery, the XRP has continued to struggle. The market is down 62 cents. The price did not reach the levels that were anticipated after a recent court judgment that went in favor of the token. John Deaton, an advocate of the cryptocurrency XRP, is one of the individuals who has aggressive price targets for the cryptocurrency. A Twitter user by the name of Moon Lambeau made a post in which they questioned the complaints of some investors regarding the poor price growth in digital currencies so far this year. Deaton responded to this post. Moon Lambo stated that XRP has increased in value by 85 this year, which suggests a healthy trend in general. There has been a delay of several weeks since the much-anticipated judgment that Judge Annalisa Torres issued, which said that XRP is not considered to be a security under certain circumstances. Within the context of the more extensive Web3 ecosystem, this choice resulted in a large increase in the price of the coin. John Deaton said it's all about expectations unless we were in a full bull market led by -1. Never believed XRP would hit an ETH, even after a good ruling. And I said that when asked about my expectations on price, although I did expect it to break $1, but until Bitcoin breaks it's a THA, I don't expect anything else to. But with all the naysayers out there know this, you can't argue with facts.
The same is true of ILP. We can innovate both below it and above it. But the main point that I want to make is that ILP is a micropayment technology. Over 1 billion ILP payments in 2018. And there's a reason that's important. You can do everything with a micropayment. Micropayments are kind of like packets. If you think about the way the internet works, it sends a packet to its destination with the best effort. ILP does the same thing. The smarts are at the endpoints, and the same thing is true with ILP. So if I want to send somebody $100, I can just sort of start streaming money at them, and when it gets to $100, I can stop. And that is better for a number of reasons. If you're going to make a payment in one shot, you need to get a quote. But do you get a free quote or do you pay for the quote? If you get a free quote, it's going to be a terrible quote because you've got a free option. If you're going to pay for the quote, how many quotes do you pay for? Do you just pay for one and then take it? Do you pay for 5 quotes and only take one of them? When you stream micropayments, when you make payments by micropayments, you can stream that payment through multiple forwarders, and those individual forwarders can stream that payment through multiple forwarders, and you can take advantage of that best path. And if the path is really good, you can stream money faster. And if the path is really bad, you can stream money more slowly. And the net effect is that you can manage a payment as a series of micropayments. And I know that sounds kind of crazy to you guys today, but if we lived in the circuit switch days of telecom, packet switch, like sending a telephone call over packet switching would sound just as crazy, but it's just as innovative. If we can develop micropayments that are as cheap as a DNS request, micropayments can take over the world. We can put all of the world's payments on a modern payment platform that interoperates between both blockchain and non-blockchain value.
Elon Musk has revealed his 22-year plan to turn X into the most valuable financial institution in the world. Does this plan include the incorporation of cryptocurrencies such as XRP, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum? Elon Musk's bold goal to transform Twitter into the all-encompassing platform X appears to be well on its way to radically alter the landscape of financial services and payment methods. This audacious concept, which has been developed over the course of more than 22 years, has the potential to make Twitter the most valuable financial institution in the world.